Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube land or whoever, wherever you may be. It's the little things in life that make life great or terrible. A little sharp rock in your shoe can make your life pretty terrible if you don't have the opportunity to take your shoe off. And it's the little things in life that spend a couple dollars on and you can make your life a lot nicer. That being said, I still haven't figured out how to do a camera flip here. Okay, but anyway, today we're working on the Lincoln Town Car. And still working on it. I haven't given up. I'm still fixing things. I've been on vacation, doing a lot of family stuff. Got to put your dad time in, guys. Or your parent time, whatever. So this, where is it? All right, here. This is the stone in my shoe. These types of things irritate me because of how easily they are to repair or fix. So I'm going to remove it and then tell you how I did it. All right, now it is literally about 5 seconds later, and here we go. And the other one's broken too, so I'll show you. But if you see this right here, this is a little latch. That latch goes into this hole. Now, granted, there's nothing left in there, but this little thing, he's got tabs on him right there. You see that? And those little tabs, you just push this thing in and it clicks into place. So what I did is I go in here with my screwdriver between the black part and the foam, whatever bodywork, and you just pry in a little bit, and you pry in a little bit, and you pull on it, and it comes out. So I've got the new one in my pocket, but I wasn't prepared. Maybe I can wedge the phone in place. Maybe not happening. Got this on eBay. Oh, it's in an Equate pouch, but it was a very highly rated seller, and I'm more concerned with seller ratings than I am with price. So if I find something, I'm like, oh, okay, this one's $4, and that's great. It's a great deal. But this one's $8, and this one that's $8 has a 99.4% feedback. I'm going with that one, especially if they got high numbers. So if you sold 10 of these and you have 5 stars, and the other guy sold 4,000 of these and he has 4.9 stars, I'm going with the guy that sold. That's just how I work. So here we go. It's our new one. It's the gold. I think it was $20 for the pair. So this little latch is how that works. Now, if you can see, the U shape on this one is at the bottom. So I am so sorry. I don't know how to do the camera flip on this phone, so I'm doing the U shape on the bottom. And if I get you right there, and we just go squeeze, closed, done. Matches the interior. Fix up the small things. Maybe your car's a piece of crap, but you can make it a little bit better one piece at a time. Make sure to do your vehicle's maintenance, or your vehicle will schedule it for you. Have a good day, everyone.